So that's a very good player right now. Then we also have an assistant. That's it. That's it. It doesn't feel like your assets. So and you can use that to scale your and do whatever you want without necessarily damaging your assets. Without does the job. So currently, the thing is, we are trying to bring it into the country. Yeah, but currently, we are having a discussion with Rwanda because they have a well that is ultra depleted that we have marked on drill.
Oguike, chairman of the Future Concern Group. So the group is Future Concern. Future Concerns Group. And within Future Concerns we have an integrated solution with various specialties. We start from HSE. We want to be one of their premiers. I would say we are the premier corporate safety solutions platform, and we expand to specialist areas. The latest is we partnered with the #1 manufacturer for emergency response equipment, and we're building a multi-million-dollar facility for maintaining fire systems, fire trucks, and changing the game in this subsector of fire. Now you can have fire trucks available, you can maintain your whole fire equipment, and you can train your people. It's an amazing facility, I'm very excited about it. And I have an office in Lagos, specifically for NAFCO, the Future Concern Fire System. And as we got successful and trusted in these areas of specialty, one of our clients were having problems with water. All the oil that is coming out of the well, there's a lot of water residuals. So we partnered with the world's leading water residual systems and set up a solution called Future Oil Field Services. So with Future Oil Field Services, we're helping companies improve their production by utilizing technology. And the fourth company is Future Automation Calibration Technical Services. And what we're doing is instrument calibration and measurement equipment. So one common denominator amidst all our companies is competence, specialization, innovation, client focus, we try to find out where the clients are, and we try to utilize our technology to solve it. So that in a nutshell is what the Future Concerns Group is.
So how long is this company existing?
Over 20 years for the group. Future Concerns, Fire Systems, this partnership came on board last year. Future Oil Fields is about 7 years, but because their technology is very relevant, we've been able to solve a lot of problems for our clients.
So what will be the expectation after this expectation?
More of the same, more innovation, more deploying the latest and greatest technology to our clients. But 180 of us are very passionate about solving our clients' problems. And we have put in hardware, software people towards making sure that we have the right equation. What is the future of future concerns youth, more innovation, more quiet growth, more technology. One of our partners is Express. Express is again a leader in Africa for maintaining electricity. So our 3S&T value proposition is really the innovative solution that not just goes after new equipment, but strives to maintain existing equipment. I think that this is really helped us solve the problem.
Last question.
Thank you.
We have witnessed, especially in Nigeria, fire challenges. So how are you partnering with the government in regards to this?
That's a very good question. We have NAFCO help different municipals solve their problems. We are able to help with the investment, with the training,